Hello everyone, I'm Adele, and welcome back to the FIFA World Cup Simulator project, where we're building a complete tournament engine in Power Query, one query at a time. Today we're building query number 6, head-to-head statistics. In the previous query, we extracted only the matches played between tied teams. Now we have exactly the data FIFA wants us to examine. But individual matches still don't determine the winner. FIFA compares the overall performance of each tied team within those head-to-head matches. That means we must build a brand new standings table. Not for the whole group, but only for the tied teams. Before we look at the code, let's first understand the idea. Imagine 3 teams finish level on points. We already isolated the matches played between them. Now we simply forget about the rest of the tournament for a moment. It's almost as if FIFA starts a brand new mini-league using only those matches. Inside that mini-league, every team receives its own head-to-head statistics. Matches played, wins, draws, losses, goals scored, goals conceded, goal difference, and head-to-head points. Those statistics become the first official tiebreaker. The query begins with the head-to-head matches created in query number 5. For every tied group, we collect all the matches belonging to each team. Then we summarize every statistic: matches played, wins, draws, losses, goals scored, goals conceded, goal difference, and head-to-head points. At this stage, every tied team has one complete head-to-head summary. Once the statistics have been calculated, we replace any missing values with zeros to keep the data clean and consistent. Next, we sort every tied group using FIFA's head-to-head ranking order. First by head-to-head points, then by head-to-head goal difference, finally by head-to-head goals scored. If 2 teams are still inseparable after these criteria, the following queries will continue applying FIFA's remaining rules. After sorting each tie group, we assign a head-to-head rank. This ranking exists only inside each tied group. It doesn't replace the overall group stage standings. Instead, it tells us which team currently leads the head-to-head comparison. Think of it as a temporary leaderboard created only to resolve this particular tie. Now that we understand the business idea, let's see how Power Query implements it. We begin with the head-to-head matches generated in query number 5. Using group by, we collect all records belonging to the same tie group and team. For each team, we calculate the complete set of head-to-head statistics by summing wins, draws, losses, goals, goal difference, and points. After cleaning any null values, we sort every tied group using FIFA's official head-to-head criteria. Finally, we regroup the data only long enough to assign a head-to-head rank inside each tie group before expanding everything back into one clean table. The result is a complete head-to-head standings table for every tied group in the tournament. Our data has just evolved. Every tied team now has its own miniature league table containing all the statistics needed for FIFA's first tie-breaking criteria. This brings us one step closer to determining the final ranking. Sometimes the head-to-head standings completely resolve the tie, sometimes they don't. In query number 7, Team's Tiebreaker, we'll compare those head-to-head rankings and determine whether the tie has been broken or whether FIFA's next tie-breaking criteria must be applied. That's where the ranking engine begins making real decisions.